Welcome to our channel. This is Tegiri. Today we are first looking the OPPO A92s. Just now back OPPO A92 video leaked on online. I know some specifications. This video confirms some specifications. I'm trying to cover full review of OPPO A92s. This is the unboxing video. Box front side OPPO A92s branding here. Inside the box front side mobile phone. More AC adapter. This adapter 9V to 2V adapter, more Type-C cable, then inside free headphone, look like iPhone style. Overall, everything here inside the box. See guys, the phone. It's looking good, right? I like this camera setup, this design. Phone back made in plastic, not a glass. Let's look the phone display. This display comes with 6.57 inches Full HD plus resolution LCD display. Phone writes that fingerprint scanner here, so it's definitely confirmed it's LCD display. Display top left corner side 12 punch hole here. Inside 60 megapixels of the front facing camera, secondary 2 megapixel depth sensor. This phone running on Android 10 based in OS 7.0. See guys, the refresh rate settings. It's available 60 Hz, 90 Hz and 120 Hz. It's your opinion which one you prefer to use 60 Hz, 90 Hz or 120 Hz. Some brands give you 60 Hz or 120 Hz only, but this mid-ranger phone give you 60 Hz, 90 Hz, 120 Hz. My personal opinion 90 Hz is much better for battery life. This phone processor comes with MediaTek new Density 800 with 5G processor, not a Snapdragon 765. It's first MediaTek 5G processor. How is it perform this MediaTek's new 5G processor? Reality, I don't know because it's leaking video, but overall perform wise, this leaking video confirm it's good. Phone backside quad camera setup here, main camera 48 megapixel, secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide, balance 2 megapixel depth and 2 megapixel macro. It's a little bit downgrade, but it's not bad. This device price officially confirmed. It's start with 24,000 Indian rupees to 399 yuan in Chinese price. Base model 6GB RAM, 128GB variant and higher model 8GB RAM, 256GB of the internal storage variant. Battery wise, this device comes with 3890 mAh battery with support 18 watts fast charging. Battery wise, it's not bad. I'm trying to fully cover OPPO A92s. What about you think guys? Do you like this video? Please like and subscribe me. More interesting videos on the way. Stay tuned. Stay at home. Thanks for the watching.